Hi, in this lecture, we will discuss how the merging is done. This is normally test. Let me open OBI, click on new. So import the data from Excel. Let me get the data from your Excel workbook. I have some data I have already stored, or you can also create own, right, using this enter data option. If you have some already of Excel, you can import sheet number 7. So we get two options here. The one is load and transform data. We can load it if we are going for any visualization or perform some charts and all. But we need to transform the data. We have some uncleaned data, we need to work on it. Clean. We go to the Power Query Editor window. Column 1, column 2, we can rename it. This is as past name. This last name. You can see whatever we are writing here, steps have been applied here. You can see the steps, what steps you. In order to merge all this, we can do one thing. Select first column, press Ctrl on desktop, second and third. Go to transform. Here you can find there is something called merge columns. Click on it. Do you need any separator? Yes, we can go for space, new column name. Let it be merged, no problem. One that it has been merged. Okay. Another option I can show you. Delete it. Let's go back to the previous one. Select the first column, press Ctrl, second and third. Click on add column, then go merge columns. What happens here? We get the data in another column here. Click on merge columns. Do you need in separator? Yes, space and write full name. Okay. Let me click on the another column has come here where you can find the merged letters like the complete name has. I hope you understood all these points. You can try at your home. If you like the lectures, please go and subscribe and share with you. Thank you.